Okay, Millie, I think it's your turn.
I know. I don't really. I'm not an animal. This was starting to feel familiar, staying on the sidelines, criticizing, clinging to the fringes instead of jumping into the fray. It was like watching the escalator run. When would I step on?
Okay, Dolores, well, I guess that just leaves you. Bring us home.
Well, I've always thought...
I'm a cat. I mean, not like a house cat. Not like Murray, Dolores. I'm a stray. Wanders the streets alone. Kind of distant and mean. Not a cat you'd want to pet or bring home to your kids. You just don't know where those claws are, you know? And I'm a black cat. And I have many, many lives. And now you know who I am. Once upon a time, there was a girl named George who couldn't quite forget there was once upon a time.